How to use ChatGPT to make a proper PowerPoint presentation. Now, to do this, the process is very simple, quick, and easy. Just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. We'll go head over to ChatGPT and we'll ask ChatGPT to generate us a prompt for making a proper presentation with ChatGPT. And now here we will first generate a professional looking prompt using ChatGPT that we're gonna use again with ChatGPT. Now you can edit these all according to your preference if you need that in your presentation or not. Let's say we just copy this one. And if you want to include anything in it, we can, simply copy and paste that here. You can also use tones like this. Now we have successfully created a good prompt for us. And now here, let me just edit this a little bit. As an example, I have generated this prompt from ChatGPT, and pasted it right here. And now ChatGPT has created exactly the presentation that we needed. We can also type in the number of slides that we want, or we can, let's say, simply give ChatGPT some other prompts according to our needs. Let's say we can write add more content in slide 5, and it will do that for us on a single click. After we are done with the content thing, now we can actually ask ChatGPT to turn that content into an PPT. So I can just type it right here. Now you need to go and wait about a minute and it will generate that PPT file for you. Now, as you guys can see, it is giving me this reply and I can go and download the file on a single click like that. Let me just go and open it. And now if you open it, this is just to show you example, it is really well organized and you can go and edit the theme in it according to your preference. Well, that's how you can go and do it for yourself as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.